welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on a half wig, a synthetic half wig named Annie. So this is the wig that I'm gonna be reviewing. It's a Yaki texture and it's 1B and I think it's 16 inches. I got this from Amazon for $20. This is from the Ultra brand, if that's how you pronounce it. Y'all couldn't tell me this is not my hair. Let me comb it out, y'all. Y'all see that? And it blends so well with my hair. Like, you can't even see the line of demarcation. Like, this hair can also be flat ironed at 400 Fahrenheit, so you can flat iron it. You can wash this hair. Anyways, I will be styling this hair, flat ironing this hair, curling this hair to see how it takes to heat. So look out for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It will be linked down below. And